Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find your lost device using Google account. So let's go to the Gmail first. After come to Gmail account, you have to click on your profile icon, which is top right corner. Now choose manage your Google account. Click on this. Now have to go to security option. Click on security. Scroll down, then you'll find here your devices. If you lost your phone, you can see here find a lost device. Click on this, and then you have to click on the phone. Then if you want to find your locked device phone, you have to click on next, and then you have to try calling your phone. You can call your phone from here. Click on next. Or if you want to sign out your phone, you can sign out your phone, and you have to reach out to your carrier. You can go to the next. Again, if you want to do the same with another device, you can do this. Click on next, and you can sign out from here. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.